Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos al pastor. Start with the marinade, the heart of al pastor. Combine rehydrated dried chilies, achiote paste, and a touch of pineapple juice. Blend until smooth, then generously coat thinly sliced pork shoulder. This adobo is crucial for that authentic, deep flavor. Let it marinate for at least 4 hours, or even better overnight, to ensure every piece is infused. While a vertical spit, or trompo, is traditional, you can achieve fantastic results at home. Thinly slice the marinated pork and cook it in a hot skillet or on a grill. Aim for a beautiful caramelization and a slight crispness on the edges. This develops incredible texture and concentrates those rich adobo flavors. Cook in batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Now for assembly, warm your corn tortillas until they are pliable and fragrant. Load them up with the perfectly cooked al pastor pork. The classic toppings are finely diced fresh pineapple, white onion, and cilantro. A generous squeeze of fresh lime juice brightens everything up, adding that essential tangy finish and a burst of freshness. Tacos al pastor are best enjoyed fresh and hot. Offer a selection of salsas to cater to different spice preferences, perhaps a mild avocado salsa and a fiery habanero. Some people also enjoy a sprinkle of cottage cheese for an extra layer of savory goodness. Gather your friends and family and savor these incredible, flavorful tacos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.